In front of me is LENOVO Tab K11E, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. First of all, go into Play Store and download free app called DevCheck Device and SystemInfo from Flirt Developer. When it's ready, launch it. Now you can learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Quick tip, you can go into Dashboard section and click on all of those options here: battery, network, apps, display, RAM and storage, to not only learn more about it, but also hit settings at the bottom right corners of all of those pop-ups to get transfer into this section in your device's settings right away. You can also do that by clicking on those gears at the top right corners. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!